Do you know what the big difference is between carrying a balance and showing a balance? It's a huge difference, and I'm going to explain that right now. My name is Ryan from I Teach Credit. As you may know, this is my card. This is my dream. The fastest way to this card is by educating you on credit. So when you're looking at a balance, okay, if you want to show a balance on a reporting date, which is good, you want to make sure that you never show more than 1 to 3%, the max being 9%, but the sweet spot's 1 to 3%. When you show a balance, you're showing that you're using credit. The difference between showing a balance and carrying a balance means you're carrying a balance from one statement cycle to the next statement cycle. That is bad. Why is it bad? Because you're going to pay interest. And typically that interest is going to be based off of whatever the statement balance was. So if your statement balance was $1,000 and you paid off $900, you're still going to pay interest on $1,000, not the $100 that was left over. That's why there's a big difference between showing a balance, which is just showing that you're using credit. Again, you pay 2 days before that reporting date, pay it down to 1 to 3% so that it shows good, healthy utilization. But then make sure 2 weeks later, you're paying off that full balance to zero so that you're never paying a penny in interest, okay? If you have any other questions with that, put those comments below. Otherwise, let me know what else I can cover for you, and I will put that in the next video.